Eat anything from morning?
No, mommy.
So you eat from morning? Me I want bologna sandwich so you can eat it and drink it with ensure when you're ready. Abby. Abby.
Yeah.
The fridge you want to clean out. When you're done, you clean out the fridge. The stove, you know, your stove. And
Abby.
look around. And I want to show my around about. Use your hand dust down your furniture and things. And if your sister want any little thing, you can make sure you get something to eat and by share. Just put something for your sister now. You know, you should ask you.
So she could have waited till you done that, mommy.
Hello, just put something for your sister. And remember when I tell us if you do, may go down the road and come back and spend another 15 minutes. You hear me say?
Crystal, you can go feed some brother back for me, please.
One pay and your food. You can go feed yourself.
From morning in the kitchen, I do enough things. Me I tidy up a room, girl. I'm just send her for the fab. And you behave so? It's alright, Crystal. Me go feed myself.
Yeah, drink Lucas, you do. You do everything when me ask you to do in the house?
Yes, mommy. I clean out the fridge, wipe down the stove, and I wipe down the furniture then. Do everything what you asked me to do already.
Where your sister there?
Me no know, you're supposed to get somewhere in there, so.
Oh, call her for me.
Alright, mommy. And them something you up here are going with. Give me this.
No, Abby, give me phone. No, Abby, give me phone. You can't do that. Abby, give me phone. You can't do that.
Relax yourself, child. Relax yourself. Relax. You're not strong on me. Crystal. But wait there. And them you see here you do?
Give me phone, man. I'm a private business. Give me phone.
Let's screenshot this. You see anyhow me ever beg you do something and you refuse to do it or you talk to me no wrong way, girl, me go show mommy this. Cause this man beg you go for fab. I hear you talk to me and then something you up here so I do. Hey, all this. Anyways, mommy I call you, so come on. Here you mommy.
I was going to say, come here, I want to talk to you. You go up by passport place, you know, so you finish your side paperwork, right? And by the form you see police record and school history. So when we want to make you know, we don't want you get in no trouble. You understand me? Try to avoid certain argument. Even if I figure where you're right and take for them wrong. Because you want you feel everything to go through and you go over stay with your father and you understand me? And things. So just don't try to feel no argument with nobody, just stay put. Yeah, my daughter, I love you. And you're pretty young. I don't want you go end up in a certain situation. Right? You know you're going to end up get pregnant. You know why you feel think about no boy. Focus on your schoolwork. You understand me? And you see, even you get the chance and go to America, a lot of opportunity over there. You understand me? You have to just know and just do the right. Right? Another time for no boy. How we look for around this? So? Nobody around there. Me say, you know, if you have no boy in your head.
I'm not interested in no boy, I have no boyfriend. Yeah, focus on my schoolwork. But I'm not gonna lie. You look like I will have one boyfriend because she borrowed me from my ex-boy.
Wagwan Abby, how you look so stressed out?
I said that show up on me. I don't know nothing too tough though. I'm just there and meditate and say life stress out. Stressing when it's ready, yeah, girl. But then anything, I don't know nothing tough though, but where you go right away?
You know, so I done the shop, I go buy 2 pounds of chicken and I go run a boat or something. If I anything you can call me or text me, because my number not change.
Yeah, girl, me do that.
So look more me will see you.
Alright, girl.
Alright.
Abby! Abby! Abby!
Yeah.
Come here. Let me talk to you about, I know you feel say you're coming age of consent now. Me no want Crystal a little girl. Me no want you draw Crystal in nothing way you do. You understand what I say?
I want me involve Crystal in the money.
No bother with the excitement. Only thing I tell you, don't involve Crystal in your man going in. Tell me something. You know borrow a phone and I text man and I send picture. Go give man.
Me, mommy?
You say nothing bother with the excitement. Take time. Me talk to you. You know use our phone and text man. I send man picture, I don't understand. No involve him in your man. Because remember, you come and feel so me can't tell you what you do now, you know. Because you're a big man now. But you know, I tell you this, don't bring her in a hit. You hear me I say to you? Hello? You hear what me say?
Yes, man.
Alright.
So what a girl wicked man. No, sir. Crystal. Alright, me know me I go do. Alright, Crystal. Say hi the phone for girl.
Because they come like, you know, what I feel if I want to feel. So I have to hide it.
No, girl, we're good. Girl, we're a sister, we cannot live so. So, I go delete the screenshot them. I'm gonna go by the show mommy. So, the secret safe with me. Oh, girls, me get some lash here. I know you love them, so here.
Oh, really, sis? Really? Thanks.
So, sis, who the boy there you talk to?
I'm a boyfriend.
Eh?
Yeah.
See, you ever see me?
Yeah.
So, how me don't know about that?
Girl, me never choose to tell you.
Oh. Anyways, I can invite him over because I like to meet my brother-in-law.
You mad girl? Me can't make him come. You must want mommy kill me.
No, girl, don't worry about that. I got you covered. you're my sister and I'm not going to make nothing happen to you. And which part mama gone now, she not come back for now. So just call him and make me meet him so you can see him and him just come quick and then he can go back.
You sure, girl?
Yes, sister, I know some got you back. Just text him and make him forward.
Aye.
Mommy, the JPS man, them coming up. And I said them come fit cut off your light. How may I tell them say I wrong place them that them still a come. Them still a talk about I right place. Yeah, you have to come country. Come fast.
Crystal. Come here.
You can't come in, go standing on left up out there, so. How are you want your sister-in-law?
That's it.
Anyways, I'm so come here. I'm going to sit around here and come back here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Boom, ya come, get up.
I want to go. Abby! I want to go on your son.
Mommy, I'm glad you come catch her.
Who him? Who you be? What happened, so? Start talk now.
A Crystal boyfriend.
Crystal boy, who?
Crystal boyfriend.
No, me no be.
Introduce yourself, brother-in-law.
So, Crystal, you really out of yourself and carry man in a yard. Ain't after me talk to you other day, little girl about boyfriend or something, you're not ready for that yet. You pass your place. Young man, you catch me on a good day, okay? Say for the one next day, go on here, you come, you left here and you come in a piece, so I make you left here in a piece. Don't come back on my place. You, after me talk to you other day, I tell you about now, man, you're not ready for that yet. You're still out of yourself and carry man coming here. Eh? You don't understand your little girl.
You see it now, mommy? She come and tell you one bag of something about have man and you believe in all these things. And see it there? You catch an innocent princess. You catch her. Anyways, explain yourself to mommy, me gone. Yeah, bother.
You know what? Me deal with you later. Give me your phone. Go in the house. You know, star, it no matter how you talk to them and pick me these last days, they nah, you know, no sense what you tell them. You could have preached to them like John Paul. They not take no telling. Oh man. I'm just on JPS man. Yeah. Abby!
Nursing school, no one going up. Yeah. Even though mommy don't have no money, I go try my best to get one nice job and sum up some money to go nursing school.
And that really still not actually stress yourself about.
You mean when we did under the tree over the Saturday?
Yes, girl.
Oh girl, a different thing I think about. There's a lot on my plate right now. But we'll get some water. Watch your girl. No water not there. I look how far we walk come up here so no water not there.
That tile is so bad, look like rain go fall.
Come on, girl.
Yes?
You know someone asked you something?
Where you want? From the other day, me vex with you, you know. But me not ready to deal with it yet, you know. But what you want?
I have no all accoutrements.
No all what?
Accoutrements.
What you call accoutrements?
Like when you get cut, man. Like when your hand get cut.
Oh, you mean the first aid kit?
Yeah.
What you want it to do?
Me have my school project for them.
Oh, see the in I cupboard, but underneath, don't in I bottom base, you'll find in there.
Aye.
Yeah. Come here. Crystal, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. You hear me? I tell you? I don't like the video hugger right now. I don't like it. And you probably feel say me not love you. Me love you, me your mother. You understand me I say? So when me talk to you and make you know say you're not ready for no boy. You don't need that right now. You understand me? You don't want that, you're not ready for that. You only go mash it. You know, you see other day what you do, I try to make me feel, you know, I disrespect me feel so bad. You know, say you carry man come in here after me talk to you day in, day out, Crystal. You see what you want to down? Mash you down, wicked, no matter police that run. I tell you. So hear me I say, when me talk to you, when you listen what me I say, I feel your own good, and not hurt you, me not kill you.
Alright, me not do it again. But other day when the guy come here, because of Abby. Because Abby say I want to see him and she my big sister. Yes. And she if I did all the company veranda, we never do nothing bad.
So that means to say other day when he called me and tell me about JPS. No, boss.
And as the boy come, same time you come.
This is what I say. When our sister, you don't feel like love you, you can't live. So I will talk to Abby. Because I see where all of this I come from. You know. I talk to her and you just make me stay right here. So no go no further with it. If anyhow, none of them do nothing more in here, you know, you're going to mash you down. So the other one are going to take heed. You hear me say? Go and go do your project. Why Abby said to me, sister. Jesus Christ. And not even one me have, you know, two and something. Father God, only you one know, only you alone know God when you go through. No, sir.
Get back everything can done. We probably is something all the time.
Them still in there sleeping.
And girl, Raina, ease up here now. We are going to run go before you come back down.
And that I want to do. So I'll be walking different with you now.
What you mean? What you talk about?
Because I see what the officer said on that tree, so I just have to ask I want to you.
If you see mommy come, just tell me. Girl, that's some things me I think about. Like, I think about my life, everything, how mommy treat me. Girl, I think mommy prefer Crystal over me. And I not fear think them something there because that's not good for me or whatever. But I just feel say she rather Crystal over me because she treat Crystal better than me. She give her princess treatment and one bag of something, girl. If something for do in her house, and me. And Crystal sit down there. Now do nothing. And one bag of something. Girl, I don't know. I just fed up. Girl, some reasoning I see mommy I give Crystal. She not give me them type of reasoning there. A road me have to go and hear when people talk certain things and know as a big girl. Me I tell her, mommy treat me different, girl.
My girl, I really this year stress over you in her school or something.
Girl, come home before the rain come back down. Better me never see nothing to her. That's why people not keep friendly now. Yes, mommy. Me I go kill her.
Look at girl, you me talk to you now. I bet me tiffling want to take one stone and bust in head. And they say if you do what me tell you do in your house already.
We can't do nothing with this.
Are you me talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you suck up your teeth, man? Who you suck up your teeth, man? Look at girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me have to tell you, don't ramp with me. So you say you, go on, man, go on.
Can't bother no man. When did me can't do so much? You know what? Me text my sister.
Kayla. Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in the town and come back. Yeah. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make your place wet up. And close the pan the line. Right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
Girl, she gone, I can't come now. So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come. Where see I go on now, girl? Cause you know how mommy she check your hand. But if we did want to come here when she there, cause I wear something about me, but she alone up her mouth and be the most way. Girl, don't worry about mommy, yeah. Me say, before mommy go away, she gonna say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room. I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that anyway me feel for go me and go, you know. So you see I go and know sis, I pray for you.
I not even know, cause right now me the years bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place where we can go.
Girl,
cause see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she'll come back.
I said, oh, me have one spot we could go hang out if I want guest house. Me I tell her say if I guest house nice, you know, girl, they have pool, bar, you know all of the little things there.
That sound boring though, sis. But since you say guest house, all you do, get some people and go over there and enjoy yourself.
But you know? Yeah, girl, you must see a right do what you think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get somebody, you know, because but sure if I throw you alone, it's boring. See who me can get work.
You know, so I'm not get the money now.
What you mean you don't get the money? So when you tell me say you don't get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something here, no man. Eh? You can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday the Labor Day, you know, so could money send up, but I could get for college because holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Watcha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
I'm busy. You all at this, so tomorrow thing that, doesn't matter.
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the on my agenda tomorrow still. You know, so. Man, we can go on tomorrow. Man.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them are text back, you know. They might say one of them might say, give me all care buckle. And the rest of them are text back right now. People they like they're willing to come, girl.
Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go we just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here is the guest house there?
The guest house not that far, girl. Like, just one little walk, you know, far.
Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know a lame party we are going to keep.
Yeah, man, alright, how we do
Alright,
that?
sis.
So, girl, they really think that Jay will come picture you?
Girl, once I invite Jay will come. And what's so special about Jay?
Girl, you know how long me have a crush on him. And I just know her from a long time. Give me your say you can't do anything, you know. So, you know what's
Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl.
you know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see. Hey, you sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Cause you never get away from me. No. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up. Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something. Me should come here and see you know. Because guess what? You choose, you know, come here so. So me don't know where you come here and do. Don't run and look for me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose for left here so.
I go and me did I go away. At Kayla, me care something come let off and me did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left your place. Kayla, you really see me, you talk on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man? What kind of party we not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you can't treat me with no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy. I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with prank with you, mommy. See, if for next year,
here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video with you and make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never know like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What happened?
I something me come to jump off true. I something me come to jump off to Kayla and then no.
Felicia, no tell me no lie.
But me not tell no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me do you, me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me your phone. Where your phone there?
Kayla, where's the phone there?
What ya? What ya? Your phone dead. Your phone just dead, mommy. Your phone dead.
You, sit down there, so. Me you call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all them me plan there what uno say uno make, it not happen because you mash up. And me tell you something, you see, give me, as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idea about phone dead and all these things. Actually, me don't know about them my phone here, you know. That's why I take me for papi show. But here what, uno brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Jesus. I don't know what we are going to do. Girl?
We should come in. We should come in.
Yes, people, you know, say that's the movie. And
hope you enjoy it. And make sure you
Like and subscribe
and share the
big
video.
up on yourself so we can get more to it. Please, I want you know say I know she not no behavior. She still not no man as you know.
yeah.
Anyway, I'm like baby them
Bye,
still.
guys.
Thank you for watching.
Just give me a second, man. I don't know who I called me, them I was on like. How would it? So this man I don't know say different times. He that hang up though. I call him back. I know I send her money already, so I can't money him call me back for asking about her now. And he knows say different time. I call her back.
Hello. You know, you feel like saying not me that beg you know. And you pitney me did I call you about.
What happened with that? What happened with that? What happened?
The other day me come in and she and the other sister, the other one, I chat about party and boyfriend and condom and me have to just come in and mash up his season phone and them something there. You understand me?
So sis, what do you think I go happen when she call the father?
But me not too worry now because me know what will happen.
So I call daddy. I want to tell daddy about how say me I plan to go meet up with man and go out with man and then things like a party. I better say because what happen and daddy go to me to turn up here.
Sis, if you bill off her phone is still, you know, both you are run with. Suppose you go to the road and something bad happen to you.
But girl, me know the streets, I know the street code, and right now in my time and day, you can't just have parents locked in the house like say you're a hostage. You have to go out and enjoy yourself and things. You know, nobody can tell me for eat that. Worst nice streets, what me know about so nobody can tell me for eat that.
The boy tease you, you know, here, you know, girl. But I'm glad that you're still sister girl.
Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem to keep her, you know. As she did get up, you know, and left the yard. And you, as a father, we should have tell her, say, go on back to your mother and have manners to your mother. You never you take her up and make stepmother have him down there and sitting. So you must. Me okay. Me not have no problem. Alright then. Yeah. Oh, me can't have a phrase. Hey. Oi, there, me a come there.
she there? You come with the water and I'm going to talk to you.
So, how me can call me so? How?
So me carry water come there. But me need to talk to you about your daughter. You see what I mean? She not no behavior. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Because you don't know she not tap tease me dog, you know. And you know how it go, you know. When dog bites somebody how much million and me no have it. You see what I mean? You need to talk to her, you need to warn her. When she come or she a pass, she don't need to say nothing. Leave the dog alone. Because me not go respond if something go wrong, you know, because if she get bite, you don't run, maybe you run come say me dog bite. You see what I mean? I don't find out where you go, but she a tease the dog, she a provoke the dog. And any day that dog bite you, who? Make me make you know from warn her, till I feel leave me dog alone.
Me apologize on behalf of my daughter, right? And me thank you for telling me. But hold on there, which one of them can know two daughter? Which one?
The fear complexion one, not the dark one, the one that's quiet. But she not quiet. She a troublemaker. She only act like she quiet. I mean, know everything so that little girl was a quiet little girl, nasty girl. But when me see her, I trouble them, I couldn't believe. Say she shouldn't do that. You say I mean, I tease the dog, I trouble the dog. And if the dog bite her, how you go? You say I mean?
Alright, me really sorry about that, and it not gonna happen again. You telling me apologize, me sorry about that, me talk to her. I understand, me sorry about that, me apologize. Understand, right? Please and thanks. And thank you for your water, you hear?
You're welcome. You know, say me and your friend for a long time,
man.
but you need to talk to that little girl. Because she get bite by the dog, me no respond. You hear what me say? Talk to her. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Alright.
Money without money I call me for. Every minute this lady call me and I bother my brain. I said last night, you know, the lady called me. What do you believe what she call me for? She called me from weird in the back room in a Kayla. Only if you know see a remote this lady I come in front of right her bedside table right beside her bed. I can't bother.
As some mommy stay in a girl, you better your answer. You better your answer because you know mommy head chip on one part.
Chop, I'm not answering up. Come on girl, go over this to go sit down.
So I think we can do sis.
We can't go no places, girl, no places. You know me have my links.
I really up this again there. I hear me a call and then not answer. It's alright. You know, hear me? You come here, call you no here. You know that I say there and me call you no here. Because girl, you know want mash you up in here. You hear me? I tell you. Listen to me. Let me tell you this. And me, I adult in here. There. Me, I know you. And you see all of them foolishness there where you're going with, when you cut out it. Because you see if you don't cut out it, you're going to see what happens between me and you. You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up! Shut up and not tell me nothing. Shut up your mouth. You see all you up there? You will make him come here and influence you. You will mash up it to a woman in here. Me will mash up it to a woman. When you tell me say you're getting money, brother, I can't deal with them something right now.
Better say it for the happen and that they go to me to turn up here.
And you pitney me, did I call you about?
So me carry water come me. But me need to talk to you about your daughter.
You hear me? You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up!
No, Tisha. For real now. Answer me for real. How where you go?
Kayla, me not stay here, Kayla, because I have to come here good and 2 times for me come and me get lick already. Right? This is how him words of account tell lie on me. And make me get lick 1 more time on that. Nah, stay here. Me nobody beat you with it.
Tisha, I know you not answer my question no. I never ask you that. I ask you say where you go or where you go stay. You idiot? I know you don't have no money, you know. You don't have no money for you to take care of yourself out on the road. I hope I don't know boyfriend you go to, you know. Because me call mommy and make sure come here with police and know what they have to do with you.
You see over here, them I go hide some things I go pick up for my daughter. That's a little one day.
So, talking about her. You feel like you talk to her, man. Because she even afraid of the dog, no, she not even look for the dog again, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know me, me talk to them, man, because they know me will mash them down. But anyway, still, you know me, they want to talk to you, though, because it's about now a big little thing, you know. See me lose all my work and...
How you tell me?
Yeah, man, all the little piece of land where we have me a plan for you sell it and do a little business and then something this.
It's a land where me are you...
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Selling land now, you know how land thing going up, value go up. So right about now, you're gonna sell it for little or nothing or whatever, and then now, when the right time come, you get a money for that time, the money show up. What make you don't really want to sell it?
Well, I'm gonna tell you already, man, me lose the little work, man, and remember say I'm me with the 2 girls, remember say one of them a pine up, and the next one don't have no pine up. So, and the other one, the one when I'm up at college, she want to go and that's why I tell her, say, I don't want to mat selling land and just do because the bills them are coming and the pressure is on, brother, the pressure.
You know what
man.
Sis, can you just sit down and talk about this young man? Tisha, tell me the honest truth. What the problem? Like, why you always like this? You can't open up to me when you can't tell me anything. What happened?
Kayla, you ever realize, say, my life not easy, my life hard. Like, we not do nobody nothing, right? And then we always a struggle and I go through it. Look at it, all mommy, she always a struggle and I go through it and she not do nobody nothing. We can't bother. You realize that everybody in this community here, they live them same boring life, they stuck in a one place. I don't want to sit down like them until me dead.
I understand, you know, but running away not gonna make it better. Tisha, imagine you go to the road as a woman, as a little girl. You know what things can happen to you? In a day time you can't trust people. But they not see you. You have me as a sister where you can't trust. Remember we're young, you know? Just have patience. And nobody would be running away business, girl. Give me this.
And so people always say about ourselves we have patience, right? So till we get old and even enjoy our life. But me will take your advice and me will listen to you and me will stay. But just see that man will tell life and about how some trouble him dog, me will get back at him somewhere, somehow, me will plan up something for him.
Tisha, honestly, I always get in a trouble, you know?
And nothing like that. And we're going to cause no trouble, no problem. Come and tell her what you're going to do.
First, I will get some cold water. It's easy, you know, girl. But alright, me I go help you.
You don't want you hold on a college thing, you know, because future that you don't know. But if you sell a piece of land, say a college, I want to wait. Because you know the amount of benefit of some land can run and go towards. You don't know. But it don't make no sense. Now if you say the thinking of selling. Or if there is no other solution where you have a friend, you know. Yeah, I could even butt in and help you, you know. But you know what things set. You say me because that's a land there. I want to wait. Just hold off on the selling a land thing. Yeah.
Yeah, me I hear you. But me I listen to you still now. Me I deal with you now. But here what you say if nothing else come up, me have no other choice.
Something must come up, man, how we can deal with and just start. Me help you, man. We are friends, you know.
It's just so, man, it's just too much for me head now,
You
man.
understand, me understand.
Can't.
Losing your job, I want
You understand, it
real.
stress me out, man.
You understand?
I mean, have a girl, them, and I want to make sure so they grow up good and, you know, get them education. I remember say we don't get it like that, you know, you understand?
That's true.
So, me want them, especially want to go to college.
You understand, man, but hold on for the selling a land, because you don't know, something have to come up.
Alright.
You think about something and see what we can do.
Yeah, alright. Me I go hold off then.
Alright. Why? The people are no. The plan is to have salary. A big investment like that salary. Why don't you get that out of the He help her. I understand what she has about you. But they can't sell the land. Can't sell that salary.
It's a puppy show, yeah. Where your sister there?
She in there, son. Ticia! Yeah? Mommy, I call you. Yes, ma'am.
Serious are your things them because your so-called stepmother says she not carry them come. But your father say, as a friend today, I up here so you go stay. You not go back down so you not have nobody have for your mind down so. You understand me? So you see any little thing and you feel you go out of yourself and grinding, nobody will me mash you down. You hear me say, miss?
Yes, mommy. Well, to be honest, mommy, I never plan to go back down there. Because I did still know me and think about the whole situation and everything. And I not get no trouble nor no problem, so you don't have to worry about that.
Kayla, where your sister there? Are you attacked, sir?
Yes, mommy.
No, sir. Wait there. What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago?
I not get back no trouble, mommy.
No, sir. I know you talk. Father God, answer my prayer.
You see, girl, she fine. She like, you know, girl. She buy girls. So even if we get catch, she not go think see away.
You're not easy, no, you're not easy. But at the last time, I do this video, you know. Anyways, remember to take out the jug out of the fridge before mommy see it, because you know normally keep this up.
Kayla? Kayla?
Yes, mommy.
Come here. So Kayla, how you don't feel if you go college or university overseas?
Mom, I never really did think about that, you know. But I say when I left school, I go look work, go do work, thing like that. Because I don't have no money, I never did have that part of my brain. But mother love to go do.
Don't worry about that, man. That's something when we see where you can get a scholarship from out here if you go over there. You understand? All your grades them have to do, your grades them have to up there. But the information there on the phone about, I think I was 96 or 100. It look on here and see.
Them I say grade that is 96 100 average. Me can't get that, mommy. Me can't manage to get
Me I
that.
tell them, you know, try and not get yourself in no trouble. I understand? Because I didn't look at something, at least you could think, you know, I don't know community go and mix it up with nobody. I mean to say if this thing comes through for you, you can't get it because you mix up with Dick Tom and Harry, Mary and Mary to Jane. Because you know you get through, I know this come through for you so you get a better life, better future, you understand me?
But I don't mix up myself with nobody in the community. I'm not getting no trouble. No, I get no trouble. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed the little video and I'm asking you guys to like, share, subscribe.
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Yes, and there's more to it.
And put up the comment section.
Thank you for watching.
And me here so not ask you IG and name. Anyways, when you want to go follow me TikTok, my name Ufay with 2B_TC and me I look for him. And you see my Instagram now. And where there? Me tell you my Instagram is it with a Z_your_girl_TC with 3I. Thank you.
Okay, I don't have it.
Oh, the_official_Kayla877. That's my Instagram page. Bye.
Bye guys.
And action.
Tisia, where you go? Ya idiot? How you look for?
If you look Maya, if you look Maya.
Come again.
Action.
Tisia.
Action.
Mr. Tisia, where you go? Ya idiot? Me know you don't have no money to go out there and even take care of yourself when you reach out the road. I hope I don't money I got to in a little girl. No, wait, sorry. That's what I said so much a little girl.
And action.
Tisia.
Kayla, you ever realize say we like
Miss Heman. Yeah, I mean, no, you have voice, you know. I mean, no. So you can't even look in her bag meanwhile she talk to you. And you listen to her like she a cuss. And you look for your sister same time too. So after action and action. Your father say up here at and from now. After action and action.
Your father say up here stay as a from now. So no going back down so to you.
Alright folks, the reason why I'm post everything, like put everything together and just post them on this channel is because, and remember that thing that I telling about and forget everybody together in a one place and then sometimes some people start work. Yeah, that happened again. So but I plan to make it in a one series, but two of the person them start work now and it just wouldn't make no sense the amount of time I get out of the week. So yeah, so that's why I post them. Oh, yeah, so anyways, soon with some more content. Don't know what else me I'll cook up and show about it, but stay tuned. Subscribe for your first time and soon in the near future. Later.